The government has announced the Padma Awards for the year 2024. The list comprises 5 Padma Vibhushan, 17 Padma Bhushan and 110 Padma Shri Awards. Former Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, actor Chiranjeevi, actress Vijayantimala Bali and Bharat Natyam dancer Padma Subramaniam have been selected for Padma Vibhushan. Social activist Bindeshwar Pathak has been awarded Padma Vibhushan posthumously. The first women Supreme Court Judge M. Fatima BV and Tamil actor Vijaykant have been awarded Padma Bhushan posthumously. Bollywood actor Mithun Chakraborty, singer Usha Uthup, industrialist Sitaram Jindal, composer Pyarelal Sharma and Foxconn chairman Young Louis are among those who will be given Padma Bhushan. Among the Padma awardees, 34 are unsung heroes. From Meghalaya, senior folk musician from East Khasi Hills, M.S. Silbi Pasa, is conferred with the prestigious Padma Shri Award for 2024. She is known for reviving old Khasi dance forms and promoting Khasi Jantia culture. Along with the rest of the country, Meghalaya celebrates